Thank you for selecting Hydraulic Hunter for your hydraulic services. This is our crimper instruction video. This is a condensed version or our step-by-step guide to crimping hydraulic hoses. Today we'll be using our TF2MT-08 Mine Tough line with a B Series 0808 male JIC fitting. Once you have your hose cut to length, you're going to mark insertion depth. Insertion depth is the #1 reason hose fails. So we'll take our B Series fitting along with a China marker, hold your fitting at the top of the cone, at the top of your hose, and then we'll make a mark at the bottom of the ferrule. When you go to insert your fitting into your hose, we like to use hydraulic oil in Tupperware. Dip the end of your hose into the oil and the end of your fitting into the oil. Take your B Series fitting into the edge of the hose and you'll push until the line is gone. Today we'll be crimping one of our most popular hoses, a 1/2" TF2MT. Please use the die selection sheet in your digital or paper copy. For a 1/2" TF2MT, we know we use a 25mm die. We provide many crimpers. For ours is a KC1H135. We'll use the quick change tool and go to the 25mm die. Turn it to the left, and now your die is removed. As stated, we provide many crimpers. For our crimper, we'll take our die in the quick change tool and then insert it into the head of the crimper. Align your alignment bolts up. Turn on your crimper. Close your crimper until the die is fully secure. Remove your quick change tool. Once you have a die inside your crimper, most likely it will come with a micrometer adjustment. For our TF2MT-08, our die is a 25mm die with a 25.3mm crimp. Once you have your die inserted, we will go from a 25mm die to a 25.3mm crimp. To do this, unlock your micrometer, adjust it 0.3, and relock it down. Now that you have your crimper set up, you're going to insert your hose and fitting. Insert your hose and fitting all the way to the hex. This is important to get a full crimp. Now that we have everything aligned, we will do the full crimp. Press your close button and fully crimp down your fitting. Now remove your hose and fitting. Remove it by pressing the back option. And that is a successful crimp. You can always verify your crimp with calipers. For this portion of the video, we'll be showing you the setup of the TR14C-08 with our 2-piece A-series fittings. Insert your shell to the top of the indent of the fitting. Take your A-series stem and insert it into the shell. Press it until the stem will not go any farther.